Wipery.
White chop.
Wagwan.
It's your boy Singh Zima.
Zima.
Back. Oh yeah. Back with another
Banger video.
I kill mosquito.
Right. So we're here in Dream. Can you tell us where we are, please? We're on a road trip,
One part.
but we're
Give
somewhere.
it the location.
We're being dryland tourists right now. We're exploring
This tastes nice.
the beautiful
Stole the
Jamaica.
bamboo.
Kara stole a bamboo. Right.
Yo,
Ireland.
they miss me, you know?
Yeah, they do. They actually
Mama,
ask for
clean
you.
skin.
And you.
Period.
I've been here though.
Alright, so Pre. We're currently at a body of water somewhere in Jamaica. You see me? Yeah, it's nice. I need to clean. Hold on, let me go over there. Let me take that one there. Right. Right. Hey guys, as you guys can see yourselves. Yeah, it's clear, it's nice. But it's cold, brother, like fully cold. That's not happening right now.
I'll do it because they like me. Ready?
The press already though. Jano, Kara wanted to try to vlog.
Hi guys, I've never held the vlog.
Wait.
Hey guys.
She's showing off the Pro because it has two
Oh
cameras.
no, that's not. I just have no pockets.
I only have two cameras.
You have two phones.
Right.
Right.
How you feeling right now?
I'm trying to get charged.
Same, we're trying to get charged up. We're just having a good time, guys. You guys should pull up.
No, my hand shaky still.
No, it's just you, good man. Yeah, get him the 360.
Hey.
We're exploring, guys. Again, it's good to explore. You know what I'm saying? It's good to explore. It's good to admit.
Right. Right. Okay, press the square in the circle.
Let's decide. So, Dream, what should I put in the cup? Come, let's go. Let's go to the bar.
Cup relay.
Come, we're going to the bar.
Is it really?
Huh?
Oh, we went to the bar.
Alright, so we're at the bar right now. Zine, what should I drink? Aaron? What should I drink?
Tropicana and wine.
What?
You can't tell the youngins, you know.
Tropicana and what?
She said wine.
Alright,
but
come on.
Kiara.
Wheel and come again.
Kiara.
Wheel and come again, Kiara.
Kiara.
I have something in mind in the book.
You spilled the red wine on my shirt. This is meant to
Tropicana
stay, you
and
know.
Ray. I don't know about that still.
See right there.
I don't star. I'm stressed out
Ting
now.
and Ray.
Dog.
Ting
Hold
and
this.
Right.
Sure.
So it's a white day
You take off your shirt and
for the
make
vlog.
it
White rum. We're not sponsored yet, but we will get sponsored by them.
red wine from
Every time I say we get a sponsor, I
It
get
wasn't
some.
even.
bad man.
You see me?
You're not beautiful.
First time I'm wearing this shirt too. I
I'm
should
not
spill red
Bob.
wine on the shirt.
Why am
I did not.
Tell you about Pitney, you know?
Guys, I really stripping for y'all.
Oh,
You're not?
I stripped for one person, so.
Ooh!
Uh-oh. Right. Right.
You know that little zing, the zest, brother? You see me?
Wash my shirt in the river.
Oh. It's cool enough. Don't drown in a youth.
Oh my gosh, do you remember us spilling the wine in the river?
So guys, this is extremely cold, but not in a bad way because the sun kind of hot. You know, Jamaica. Next thing you know, you can drop the damn phone in the water. It's cold to the point where the last time we went to the river, we used the river to cool down. the wine because we're drinking wine and
Two chicken. Some ice.
oh, sorry, right. Oh, yes, Ariel, you stripped for them.
This is preposterous.
Thumbnail. Question mark before I get wet. At Kiara and Dream.
Ready? Ready?
Oh, wait,
You're
wait,
just crushed with the coke.
wait.
That's it. That's a banger mother thumbnail right there. No cap.
Conspiracy
No
theories.
keezy. So only thing that happened with the plane for you.
Crush with the coke.
So there was coke in there. And drugs and
You never
guns.
hear Skilly
So say skilly when you get the coke?
Yeah.
Too much gun in our cargo.
Him just call me saying I'm the sea.
You? Not
That's
you
no,
instigating yourself online.
That's what Skilly
right.
Bang say.
Oh. What?
Just call me saying I'm the sea.
I can imagine how calm that conversation must have been. Yeah, that, you know, some mega crash right now.
Just
But
land the sea, man.
Jen, if you guys don't know what we're talking about, there was a plane crash in Rocky
with the
Point, Kleinland.
With the coke.
A Mexican
With the coke.
cargo plane.
Yeah, man, the man
I'm
take off
not
for the door.
saying- the door had everything in there.
You say me must left with something in him take off
Bro,
for the door.
but they, you know them scrap it up now still, like it's fully done for, like the whole thing.
Because they wanted keepsakes
So I know.
for the people of
You
Rocky
see, this
Point.
is the problem with Jamaica's investigation unit, if we even have one, because
It
it's
doesn't
like,
matter
it was
'cause-
supposed to be under
no.
investigation.
No, it's not because them knows to the plane did crash with the coke. So
Right, so no further investigation needed.
they knew what happened.
No, they're probably out for the island right now still.
Yeah, because I'm just landed the sea.
Yo, I'm done with Ariel, bro. And this is sober, mate.
Yes, exactly.
That's the worst part.
The plane just crashed with the coke.
Who's he talking to?
Jesus.
Don't move too tight. Who's he talking to? You did hear
Plane
my
just crashed. I think he's drunk. They were drinking wine, you know.
Bo, you know what charge?
Oh, I'm trying to take out our way. Okay.
Take it out again, no?
The plane just crashed with the coke.
I'm so tired. It's the sun for me. Where the sun gone?
You know what's coming in the water?
Who? Watcha.
A burp.
Watcha.
I should take a banner Instagram photo.
You know lighting?
You should. I do model life.
Hey guys, I'm new to this channel because Singh doesn't. Tell him I'm new to this channel.
So introduce yourself.
Hi guys, I'm Kiara.
Who are you?
Y'all may know me as.
What's your
Y'all
relevance
may
to the
know me
storyline?
as Dream's cousin.
Right, Dream's cousin.
Speaking of him.
I know.
But yes, guys, I'm
Tell
new
them how
here.
you're feeling. What's on your mind? You have to let them know what's
more
happening.
ice.
That's what you're vlogging. What are you saying?
Yeah, you have to let them know your thoughts.
What are you saying? When Bob,
When Bob people stand up in sun, does it like?
Contraband on your body.
Listen, no, I'm
Right.
trying to ask you guys a question.
Okay, go ahead.
alright, let's see.
Pure nonsense. If rubbish come out our mouth, please
Karen was holding the
excuse
camera
her.
like this and asking
Yeah,
questions.
yeah, right.
Alright, so I'm saying like, seeing as the ball man over there
It's in the sun.
does it like burn them, like it sting them or something?
Ask him now.
Yo, hold on. Batman.
I'm sorry, all of us should be together.
Yo, she could just call him regular like, what's the... Then, wow.
Yeah, that's for the bad kind is, sir.
As it should be, you know, charge up. Not you just mixing it, feeling like it would make a difference.
A difference, man.
I see.
Not the sea, the river, dog.
Yo, that'd be a nice picture if I could get over there.
You can. Walk? Walk with your foot them? What do you mean? How? Yeah. You can probably walk. You can probably walk or swim too. You want to do it through? Fun?
This is crazy. Oh, the sun. I have no eyebrows though.
No, it's just the forehead. It's a 5 head for me.
Yo, is this not hair cut out?
What? Yeah,
Are we gonna test it out?
Test it what? What do you mean test it out?
Is it white? Oh, is it white?
I was falling.
Is it white?
Is it white? No, it's clear. You just feel it.
Oh.
Oh no, like the back part, right? Ready? You sure?
Yeah.
White green.
White up. Come on. It's your boy.
Ready, Dream.
Woo! No, this looks high.
You've done work.
Go through that, bro.
Ready. What do you mean?
No, it's deep. Bro, you're not landing on the rocks. You're good. There's the one light. Right.
Don't end it now.
Right. One light.
One life.
You walk away.
Why am I stalling? Why am I stalling? Ready now? Let's jump, brother. You can say no one anything now. Alright.
Almost a medical.
Shamar.
It is.
Oh yeah? Best friend goes. Your best friend could never.
Never. Yo, this apple poutine. Me?
Wow.
Cute.
So you weren't cute before? I don't understand. At Kiara. What are you doing? No. Don't do that. What are you doing? All the sausages them?
I go. Right. Right? Right.
Why is that missing you?
Why is she the sausages?
The sausages.
The sausages. River Par. Yeah, give them the TikTok dance.
Yo.
You know charge?
Some of them
Right.
last still.
Oh yeah, them gone for now. Yo, why am I not on that tour? Them gone upstream.
Right.
For now?
Because my acrylic toes.
You know slippers?
Still wanna dig with my foot back now.
You know slippers?
You're not cute.
Give them the lights came already.
I think about the
876.
pussy in the shirt.
Shamad's life. Guys, so if you didn't know,
Who's is this?
Kiara has a tattoo. Come on, show them the tattoo.
Who's is this? I have a.
But hold on, but her mom is not aware.
Did not know until like a second ago she found out. I think she's trying to like think about what she's trying to say to me later.
You want to go and ask her?
No. She got it.
But I'm sure she's fine. Come on, man. She's not
Yeah,
good.
she just asked.
Because
when I got it.
everybody knows except for your mother.
Yeah.
So it's like, you know the title of this video? Tattoo prank on mom.
So yeah, she just asked when I got it and who carried me. And
It's
she
all
said
about
we'll
bad
talk
breed
about it.
bad breed picking.
We outside.
So
No,
what are
but
what are your expectations at this point? Like you think she's going to be really upset, or just like
No, she's not gonna be really upset. It's just that
Yeah, but not
you didn't
when
tell
we
her?
reach home, she gonna say, "Why you never tell me you're doing
You should have tell her, real. That's all
I
you.
just couldn't bother with the extra talking.
Not the extra talking.
And say, she just gonna say, "Why you never tell me?" And
I'm going to get a tattoo still. You coming, Dream?
Uh-huh.
Ariel?
What?
I get a tattoo on my
Ash
chest.
50.
It's my best friend not wanting to come get a tattoo with me from me.
Yeah, we need to figure out what you want. What we put in?
No, I know what I want.
What we put in?
Wealth and
Gypsy?
wisdom.
yes, you can get these.
Yeah, I'll
emojis
come.
at the end.
I'll come.
And
a
then
fake
the
friend
rainbow in the
from me.
middle.
No, I am the realist. Who is here right now? The chair we don't. We're outside and we're
Oh,
not
no,
going.
Food.
It's crunchy. But you can eat the answer their food, see?
So what is that?
What is this?
Stew chicken, I believe. Why you tear it, Kiara?
Jano Kiara.
Mama.
Jano charge you.
No. This is what we're going to do. Is we're going to stop and we're going to think for a minute.
You see everybody
Okay.
praying, you know. This is why you shouldn't get the tattoo. That is why you shouldn't get the tattoo. Anyways, guys, we'll get you back. I see. Come, baby, come, try me. We're going to twist and turn, yeah. Oh, yeah, let me show them the uncle got from
Fate.
Uncle Dream, right. We're in our uncle stage in our 20s. Just give us like a couple. No, the thing is, you see, now is when our bodies go through the most changes. So, like, right.
It's called quarantine weight, guys.
I'm not as hot as before.
He
And that's
actually
my
isn't,
cap.
you know.
Nobody.
I'm at my biggest, guys. I'm sorry.
Hubba bubba.
Oh, shit.
Hubba bubba.
That's not nice.
But you, it's the same thing, bro. Like when you're in your 20s, dog. Like
No, I'm not.
you can get fat, you can get slim, you can get.
It's quarantine, you know.
So what you're saying? Homeboy is a sick channel. Vibes.
Ew. It's like I saw it coming.
Mr. Sandman. Mr. Sandman. Bring me a drink. Ba 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 ba. You're the cutest thing I've ever seen.
Oh, Mr. Simon. Sing inside. I don't know.
Mr. Sandman.
Why would the Sandman bring you a drink? Doesn't the Sandman make you sleepy? Doesn't it make you sleepy?
You're the cutest thing I've ever
No,
seen.
it's not bringing you a drink.
Man, I tell you,
But the
with the
Sandman,
3 old ladies.
but the Sandman makes you sleepy.
So the drink is the drugs to make you sleep. Yo, you can do the thing with your hair as well.
That's so 2016. Man.
Try it though, for the vlog.
That's going to make my okay.
Just for the vlog.
It's going to make my hair all nutty. You're making me do 2016 manigo.
So? Ready.
Are you ready?
Yeah, ready, man, ready.
This is crazy.
Ready?
Ah, where's all the rock?
Yeah.
I'm falling.
Don't fall too tough. Ready. Hey! Hold on, let me try slow mode. Hold on, guys. Them that. If you guys saw the slow motion, which I might keep in the video itself. Kiara, your turn.
Wow.
You get to the
Every time I do it, I fail.
try again. Come try. In the water, man. In the water. Try again. Get the next shot. Ready? Dream, your turn, you know. Your turn, Danny. Ready?
Huh?
Put it in the water and flick it back. No, but yo, you know, so Danny own come out better than Kiara own though.
I don't know how that works.
Free. Look. Do it again. Jano Kiara. Stress out.
He's filming. Wait, my ass
all up in the camera.
I'm like, cash. You coming? Yo, you need to come in the water still. Oh, there's a fish.
Catch it. There's a lot of baby. Yes, I'll take it already.
Wash!
Go on, brother.
Ready?
Outside.
Something around that can work. But it's like UPT people just like your Kingston 6 at Kingston.
Yeah.
Them just feel apart, them just feel connected. We can't catch fishes, hold on. Oh, I see them, hold on.
Hey, face.
Come in my hand, please. Browning. Browning, you know forward, Browning? Browning, you know, yeah, me call you. Nah, they're staying between the rocks. You good? Charge! Charge! Charge up!
Hey guys, we're back.
It's your boy Singh.
We're back from the river, and all of us are officially gone.
Guys, tune in to Caribbean Connection at 10:30.
Yo, I hate you. Lord.
Yo, Dream.
Gym clean, Hennessy we drink not lean. Big spaceship driving, girl want in the car and scream. Aye, me and my toes them clean. I'm so frosty if you see what I mean. Me want get my money, call her cause they she and me darling. Cool man, aye, the other then you know.
Put my hand wait. Hi guys.
Big cash talk cheap. 7 days of them wait. Backers of the done fit. They want so much weight. We make money now we sleep. Them girl tear my shit. Boy this get delayed. He said she want roll with me.
Ready. So never start, never stop. Know that I'm quick to the unbelly one. Say never start, never stop. Know that I'm quick to the unbelly one. I make it nice fun. With the life in the wood sport, with the song. Clean
Get him early, get him
Ready.
clean this
Crush with the cold.
Hey,